Hello again, this is Dr. Zahir Merhi, a fertility specialist at New Hope Fertility Center. Today, I would like to introduce you physically to our scientific breakthrough, the at-home IVF kit. The kit is extremely easy to use, and it comes in a very convenient and patient-friendly small purse, if you want to say, and you can actually once you get it by mail, and we can mail it to you wherever you are, it just have our logo, and then you can use it and you can put it in your purse wherever you go. It's very easy to use. As soon as you get it, you're gonna get with it a card that is self-explanatory, and it's going to tell you when to start what medication. For example, cycle day 3, you take 1 Clomid, 1 letrozole orally. Cycle day 4, same thing, until, for example, cycle day 12, it tells you to use the nasal spray. And I'm going to introduce you to the kit, but just to kind of let you know, it's self-explanatory. Even if you're in a place where you can't reach us or we have different time zone, you can always read those and tells you exactly what to do. Now, the kit comes pre-packaged already. All you need to do is just to open it, and it tells you what medication to use and has the number, which is the cycle of your period. For example, cycle day of your period. This is 3, meaning cycle day 3. All you need to do is to open it and take the medication that's inside. Same thing for cycle day 4. Cycle day 5. Then it's gonna, once you reach a certain day, the medications are going to change. See, for example, here, there were 2 different kinds. Here it's only 1 kind. You just take that. Same thing. This is different color than this, meaning this is, patient will use it vaginally, and it's written on it vaginal suppository. So the difference in color is also going to tell you, alarm you that, oh, I'm gonna use this different than the other medication. And at the end of the cycle, instead of taking the trigger shot, we have a nasal spray, which is very easy to use. You just close one nostril and push in the other nostril and see the medication. This is very similar to the trigger shot that patients take during IVF. And then all you need to do is to come for the day of the egg retrieval. Also, it's written here on the kit what day you will be coming for the egg retrieval, and our coordinator, as soon as she sends you the kit, she books your day of the egg retrieval, because we know exactly when you need to come. So as you see, it's very simple. There is no shots, there's no pain, you don't need to go to the doctor's office to do blood and ultrasound, and you can do it anywhere, whenever and wherever. So this is the at-home IVF kit. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me via my Instagram at ZahirMerhi7, or you can call the office at New Hope Fertility Center, and I'm more than happy to answer any questions you have.